Hi everyone. In this video we're going to demonstrate some of the steps to track inventory in WristCoin Cashless POS. So here you see the normal dashboard that you would typically see when you log in. See our previous videos that describe how to create basic menu items and vendors and staff. Here I've already created 3 menu items: a hamburger, a margarita, and a beer, Modelo Especial. The first thing we're going to do is take a look at inventory stores. When you first create a dashboard, you'll have already a default store called My First Inventory Store. So we're just going to rename this really quickly to something that might be relevant to you. So we're going to call it Main Inventory Store. And location, we're going to just say kitchen, perhaps. The next thing we're going to do is associate a new vendor with this inventory store. What this does is it makes sure that each vendor can have their own inventory warehouse or store so that you can track inventory that is held at each vendor individually if you'd like. But of course, you could still share inventory stores amongst vendors. So first we're going to create a vendor now. And I'm going to create a vendor called main bar. I'm going to associate main bar with the main inventory store. The main bar sells the following categories: food, beer, these are already pre-existing categories, and cocktails. I'm going to now create another inventory store. I'm going to call it the pool bar inventory. And this is to track the pool bar. Location is the pool. So this is helpful if you want to track inventory separately at each bar or each point of purchase, for example. Now we click back on vendors, create the vendor. We're going to call it pool bar, and we're going to associate it with pool bar inventory. The pool bar, though, only sells drinks. It doesn't sell food. So we're going to only associate the categories beer and cocktails. So in summary, we have the main bar, which serves these categories. So it serves the hamburger, the margarita, and the beer. And the pool bar, which sells only beer and cocktails. So it has only the margarita and the Modelo Especial. Click on the next video to learn more about how recipes get associated with menu items